had such a good time sitting on the floor eating that bucket of Kentucky Fried Chicken. And I want to say this. This is a celebration of his life, of his legacy. I want to thank Michael for opening up so many doors for African Americans to be on daytime shows, late night shows. He allowed Kobe and I to have our jerseys in people's homes across the world because he was already there. And he opened all those doors for us. His 3 children will have the most incredible grandmother that God has put on this earth to take care of them. Michael's 3 children will have